Principles of Inheritance and Variation, Session 17. In this module, we are going to learn about the Dihybrid Cross, which helped Mendel to arrive at his third generalization, Law of Independent Assortment. Did you know that Mendel cultivated and conducted experiments in 29,000 pea plants between 1856 to 1863? One such test is the crossing of pea plant with yellow round seeds and those with green and wrinkled seeds. Such a cross between plant that differs in two characters is called as a dihybrid cross. This experiment conducted by Mendel in a pea plant produced yellow round seeds in the F1 generation. Can you guess the dominant shape and color? Obviously, the round shape is dominant over the wrinkled, and the yellow color is dominant over the green. Mendel noticed that these results were identical when he had carried out monohybrid crosses between plants with round and wrinkled seeds and those with yellow and green seeds. Now, in Mendel's dihybrid experiment, we should note that the dominant seed color is represented by the genotype symbol capital Y and recessive green color by small y. Likewise, the round seed is denoted by capital R and wrinkled seed is represented as small r. The genotype of the parent are therefore, it can be denoted as capital R, capital R, capital Y, and small r, small y, small y. On crossing the plant, the gametes capital R, capital Y, and small y unite to produce yellow and round seeds with the genotype capital R, capital Y, small y in the F1 generation. Mendel, he further self-pollinated the plant obtained in the F1 generation to produce the F2 generation plants. This type, 3/4 of the seeds were yellow while 1/4 were green. Similarly, he noticed that 3/4 of the seeds were round while 1/4 were wrinkled. Therefore, the yellow and green color have segregated in the ratio 3:1, similar to the result obtained in the monohybrid cross. And the round and wrinkled shape segregated in the ratio 3:1. Mendel also found that the phenotypic ratio of the F2 hybrid was 9:3:3:1. That means 9 yellow round, 3 round green, 3 wrinkled yellow, and 1 wrinkled green. Mendel had got the same phenotypic ratio in other dihybrid crosses conducted. The ratio 9:3:3:1 is derived from the combination series of 3 yellow is to 1 green with 3 round is to 1 wrinkled. And further, the derivation can be written as 9:3:3:1. From such observation on dihybrid crosses, Mendel proposed the new generalization, the law of independent assortment. According to this law, when two pair of traits or characters are united in the hybridization experiments, the segregation of one pair of character is independent of the other pair of characters. Dear children, in this module we learnt about the dihybrid cross conducted by Mendel. The dihybrid cross is a cross which studies the inheritance of two characters or two genes. And as a result of this dihybrid cross, Mendel arrived at the third law of inheritance, law of independent assortment, which states that when two pairs of traits or characters are united in a hybridization experiment, the segregation of one pair of character is independent of the other pair of character. Thank you.